Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Face ID is not available. Try setting up Face ID later. So guys, when you want to set up Face ID on your iPhone and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, and guys you need to scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to reset all settings. And guys, the second method is you have to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, if you have any kind of update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest version, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you have to contact with Apple Store. So guys, I have downloaded this app, Apple Store. Simply you have to open this app, select your gadget here, scroll it down, click on more, and guys from here you need to open Face ID as you can see here. And after this I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, here is the option of call. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys you will find these two numbers or this type of two numbers. So guys, simply you have to call this one. So guys, if not responding, you need to call at second one and tell them your problem, that Face ID is not working, and guys they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, after doing all the settings, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to check that your Face ID has been damaged physically or not. So guys, if damaged, you need to check to an expert mechanic, and guys he will change your Face ID on iPhone physically, and after this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.